Hi, David here. In today's video, we are going to talk about Trello's free project management system, Trello.com, and how it can make your team and your projects run smoothly and more effectively. So let's head over to my computer so we can get started. Hello there. So here we are in Trello, and that is Trello.com. So Trello is a simple to use application for members of a team wanting to get things done more effectively. So once you get an account, it's actually a free to sign up. But once you get your account set up, you can just go over to boards, and we can create a new board. Just go by going down to create new board and then naming your board and then hit create. But since I already have one created, we'll just head over to my test board. So you can change the name if you like, and then now we're going to start adding lists to our board. So a lot of times I like to, if I have a team that is working on the same project, I can just do a to-do list. And then maybe make something like I'm working on. And then we can just make one that says done. And you can have lots of different lists, but I mean, so say you have a team of 5. Now, that doesn't mean that you can only have 5 members on your board. You can have as many as you want, pretty much. But so say you have a team of 5 or 10 or so, you can create different things on your list. So say you need your team to email Joe his invoice. You can just hit add. And then maybe you need somebody to, maybe you have a web designer in your team, need them to start work on ABC's website. And we'll hit add. Now, so you can keep making this long list of things you need done. And then anybody that you add as a team. So actually, if you go to the show menu on the side here, you can create or add members to this project. So you can put their email address and send them a request to be added to this list. So once you have all the members you need on your team on this board, then you can have them do multiple tasks. So say you have somebody on the team that's going to be emailing Joe his invoice, then you can just drag this card to working on, and then say they finished sending the invoice, then they can head it over and they can go just put it marked as done. And everybody on the team that's on this board will see everything that's going on. So they'll see right away. So as soon as somebody drags this, it will actually refresh, and they will see it on their end that somebody is working on Joe's invoice. Now, it's not just for lists. So if you want to actually get in a little bit deeper, you can click on one of these cards, click on the name of the card, and then you can add many different things. You can add a description if you'd like. You can add members, labels, checklists. So say you need this item has a checklist of several things that need to be done before it's marked as finished. So you can create a checklist. You can create a due date. So say I want to pick a due date, and I can change the time of it, hit save. Now it has a to-do date, has a due date for this item. Say you're a web designer and you need your web designer to start work on the website, and another person on your team is going to actually collect the information for the website. So as he's working on the overall look of the website, you have somebody maybe writing the content or gathering the content that's going to need to be on that website. So they can actually go to attachments, and we can add images. So we can add multiple images to this card, so the designer can actually just come to this card and grab those images that they attached, or maybe there's a video that needs to be embedded in the website, and then just information. So you can be, this is the content for the website. So that designer can just come in here and copy what he needs, paste it into the website itself. You can also, on each card, you can also subscribe to it. So say you want to be notified when anything changes on this card. You can be notified with the subscribe. And then, so as that's being done, the web designer could be moving that over to be working on, and then once it's done, they can drag it over to the done list. That there is an overview of Trello. Also, if you have a board, maybe this board is finished and you want to start from scratch, you want to delete a board, you actually can't just go to the board and hit delete. There's no delete section over here. You actually have to go over to show menu, and then you can close board from there, and then you can hit close again to remove that board. But yeah, that there is Trello. That's a very easy way to have your team working on projects and getting things done more effectively. It's one of my favorite applications I've been using for my businesses. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And we will see you in the next video.